In this video, I show you how to earn $1,600 by just searching stuff on Google. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online this year, 2022. How to do it we're about to find out. You can earn money online by searching on Google. Yes, that's right. Just by using the world's most popular search engine, you can make some serious cash. Most people use Google for random searches and don't get paid for it. However, there is a small group of people who are taking advantage of this Google trick and making money online. There are many opportunities to make money using Google. With a little effort, you can make hundreds or even thousands of dollars. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. Google has many ways to make money, and there are many ways to use their services to your advantage. You can use Google to find online surveys, to sign up for free trials, and even to get paid to watch videos. There are many ways to make money with Google, so find the ones that work best for you and start earning. I'm going to tell you a secret. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. I'm going to be teaching you a really simple method that you can use to make money online from anywhere in the world. This is a really great way to make some extra money, and I'm going to be giving you some bonus tips that will help you earn even more money than other people. So make sure to stick around and watch the whole video to learn everything. First of all, I want you to go to google.com and search MindSumo. The first link you'll see is for MindSumo.com. Click on the link to go to the website. Homepage of this website, which is MindSumo.com. This is the website we will be using together with Google to make a lot of money online. I want to show you the earning potential of this website. Take a look at this. $1,600 and over here, $800 and right here $1,600. When you scroll down below, there are literally unlimited opportunities where you can use this Google trick and make hundreds if not thousands of dollars over and over again. All you need is just a simple. MindSumo is a legit website that partners with some of the biggest brands online, including Microsoft, American Express, Pepsi, Nestle, Spotify, Amazon, Adidas, Mercedes-Benz, Shell, and many others. You can sign up for a free account on the website and start making money. I will now show you how to do this. So just go on to the topmost. The home page has a sign in or sign up button. Clicking on the button will open a small window. Click on the link that says, "Don't have an account yet," to be taken to the sign up page. Solve a registration, so just put in your first name, your last name, your location, and your email address as well, and just create a password and choose your birth date and your gender on the following skill areas. I do recommend you choose above average. After you check the terms and conditions and privacy policy, click on I'm not a robot and click on the blue sign up button. Once you log into your account, you will see many options in your dashboard. Different projects and challenges which you can join and make a lot of money online. On the left section here you can see many different categories which are filtered by skills such as business, engineering, computer science, food science, math and sciences, and humanities and arts. Now, as a bonus tip, I want you to focus on this category alone, which is computer science, because this category is going to pay you the highest amount of money. So I want you to go and click on it. Once you click on that link, they're going to filter it out and show you all the projects and challenges about computer science. For example, this project right here, which is what is your revolutionary idea for the next digital pen, right? As you can see, it's $1,600. It's just a matter of clicking on this link, and it's going to take you to this page where they're going. I would like to ask you a question. What is your revolutionary idea for the next digital pen? By submitting an answer or an article, you can earn money in return. There are a lot of people who are. Right now, I'm doing it. I'm going to teach you a trick right now. Therefore, I want you to go to google.com again. Google Docs is the first link you're going to see, and then you're going to see the second link right here. You can create free documents online using Google Docs. If you click on this link, you'll be taken to this page where you have to fill out some information. There is a blue button where it is. Click on it. It says to go to Google Docs. Once you've arrived at this page, you can begin creating a new document. I want you to continue. This blank page right here will take you to this page where you can type your answers. After typing your answers, you can actually submit it in Google Docs form and you can make money online. Don't worry, I'll teach you a bonus tip in just a moment to make it all very simple. So make sure to keep watching all the way until the end. So right now I want you to go back to MindSumo.com and I want you to highlight and copy this question right here. And then we're going to use Google. All we have to do, just paste. The question we copied earlier is, what is your revolutionary idea for the next digital pen? We can find the answer to this question by searching for it on Google. For example, this website from 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐞 provides some helpful information. So we can just go ahead and click on this link and that's going to take us to 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐞. This is a place where people can post different questions and answers in hopes of finding a good answer that can be used to make money online. For example, this one, who wrote a good answer, even provided bullet point answers. So all you have to do is just go ahead and highlight the text you want to copy. Then, go back to your Google Doc and click on Paste. The text you copied should now be in your Google document. So right now we need to go back to Google because we're going to look for another answer that we can actually combine with the first one so we can submit it and make money. I've actually found this website, which is then 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐞. The title is, what is your revolutionary idea for the next digital pen? This is exactly what I was looking for. They even gave me the entire paragraph. And when I scroll down below here, I can look for the second point. These are all the articles, these are all the answers that I have been looking for. And we can combine all of these points and we can just put it into our Google Docs and then we can submit and actually make money on this challenge. So real quick, I'm just going to. This is a really professional answer that I can submit on MindSumo.com. So again, I'll just go back to this website, scroll down below and look for the second point, which is right here, and highlight and copy everything once again. After that, I'll just have to go back to my Google Docs and paste the article. This is actually pretty simple. Repeat this over and over again and get all the answers using Google and then just paste everything on Google Docs. Right now I'll give you the bonus tip. Make sure you change the title of this particular Google document to MindSumo Challenge, together with the title of the question. So we need to go back to MindSumo.com and then we're going to copy the question right here. So just simply highlight and copy it. After that, we're going back to Google Docs and paste the question as part of the title. Now we just need to copy the entire title of this Google document and then we're going to paste it right here. In that way, we have now a headline for our answer. We also need to edit it a little bit. So we're going to make the font size larger to size 14 so that it looks larger and professional, and then we're going to put this headline at the center of this document. Now, once we've finished making our answer, we can just go ahead and click on File and then click Download. Make sure you choose on PDF document, and once you click on it, it will automatically download and save the document on your computer. You can do this on your mobile phone as well. So right now, as you can see, this is a very professional MindSumo challenge answer that you can just actually submit, and that's how you can start making money by taking advantage of this new Google trick. And again, there are plenty of different challenges and projects which you can join. That's exactly how you make money from Google this year 2022. So there we go. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.